Hi everyone. Today we have Ms. Aarti representing Victoria University of Wellington. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, Kia. How are you?
I'm good. So could you share some insights about the university, its popular programs and scholarships for international students?
Yeah, as the name suggests, Wellington, we are in the capital city, and the university is 128 years old, a top four public university in New Zealand itself. If I have to talk about the global ranking, it's 241 in the world as per QS World Ranking 2027. So we have master's and bachelor's program, and we are offering automatic scholarships for both the degrees if they want to pursue from Victoria University. We have more than 200 academic programs. So even if the student is from different streams, we have all kind of programs available with us.
That's great. So what about scholarships for international students?
So for undergrad, we are giving 15,000 of New Zealand dollar scholarship for the first year. And for masters, we are giving 10,000 New Zealand dollars of scholarship for the first year again.
That's great. So with Wellington being New Zealand's capital city, what benefits do students get in terms of networking, part-time jobs and graduate employment?
That's a very good question, Kia. So, one of our campus, that is Piptia campus, is very much close to the parliament, and then we are very close to the ministries, embassies, Supreme Court, and High Court. That said, that Victoria holds a very strong partnerships for public and private sectors. We have maintained a 92% of employment rate within past years. We do have a proper dedicated career and employment team on campus that guides student one-on-one. Then we are organizing career workshops in the campus where different companies come and talk to the students what all hirings they have, what the skills that they are looking, and then the team also help in making the resume, cover letters, and interview preparations as well.
So, what advice would you give to an international student coming to Victoria University of Wellington and to make the most of their time?
Okay, so Victoria University of Wellington usually holds a orientation or a webinar program where we tell all the important details for the students who are coming for the New Zealand even for the first time. If they require any sort of airport pickup, we provide that. If they need any help with accommodations, we do have accommodation on campus. They can book that monthly. We provide them all the sufficient links, and sometimes we also give groups of the students where they can interact with international students coming for that intake as well.
So, what programs can we suggest to students coming from business background and now wants to go for IT or vice versa?
So I think this is the most unique point about Victoria University of Wellington because we offer some of the conversion degrees. So what is conversion degrees in New Zealand? The degrees, if you are not having the relevant background, will accept you and you can actually shape your career, and we will make sure that you are trained so that you can compete different professionals. So if someone is coming from a business background and want to switch into IT, then we have masters of software development, and vice versa. If someone is from IT backgrounds, are some of the degrees like masters of global business and professional business analysis can take the students from different background and they can pursue their management career with us. So if you are planning to study in New Zealand and need proper guidance about the admission process, visa process and financials, then Leap GB, our authorized partner, is here to support you. And if you have any questions that New Zealand is expensive and how to manage the funds and what is the tuition fees, do connect with them. Victoria University is waiting for you in the upcoming intake 2027. Do apply as soon as possible. Thank you.